Everyone, I would like today to present the breaking of the wall or remediation of Kuwaiti oil leak. Kuwait environment suffered significant damage resulting from Iraq invasion in 1990, and the result of this destruction, huge quantities of crude oil had released, forming what we know as the Kuwaiti oil leak. Kuwaiti oil leak causing a threat to the human and to the ecological system. Now, Kuwait received around 3 billion from United Nations to treat this disaster. Around 52 companies came to Kuwait to try to treat this contamination, but they couldn't achieve the desired result. During my PhD, I developed a new system, which is the soil washing system, which is a combination between the mechanical stirrer and the sonification. The mechanical stirrer here, it's not allow the sand to be settled down, and the sonification will reduce high energy of cavitations which break down the oil agglomeration and allow the oil to be released from the sand. Even the high water temperature, it's able to reduce the contact angle between the oil agglomeration and the sand. The process will take around 2 hours only. The efficiency of this method has been tested by Kuwait National Petroleum Company, KNPC, and that's the sample before and after. They brought for me 3 different samples, light and high and medium contamination. All the result after was below 1%, which is below even 1.1%. I'm using environmental friendly methods. If you see, that's the system. I'm using the soil washing system. Here, the oil, contaminated soil is washed, and then the sand will be separated, and the oily wastewater is treated by flocculation and decoagulation, which allow the water to be recycled and the oily sludge to be disposed here. But right now, I'm using even the oily sludge to make the system for zero waste for using in road construction. Thank you so much for your great attention.
Okay, so any questions from the audience? Okay, Matt, yeah.
It sounds like a really interesting method. Do you think that it's economical? What are the costs?
It's a good question. Actually, when I did the pilot with the KNPC, I estimate and I have done some calculation about the cost, which cost me around $50 per ton. Okay, right now in the market they cost $200 per ton, and they are using surfactant, and some of them they are using a chemical. But my method, I'm using only water. There is no chemical, no surfactant. It's an environmental friendly method.
Okay, yeah, Kim?
So it's a question about possible rollout of this to deal with other oil spillages. So I guess this is about washing sand, and it might not be applicable to washing soil or something like that. But does sand vary from place to place? Would this be something that could be rolled out to other
Yes.
kinds of places?
Good question. Actually, right now, the contamination which exists in the field, we have the oily sludge and the contaminated soil. This system which deal with contaminated sand, which is not the oily sludge. The oily sludge will be around 2 centimeters above the surface, and then we have around 2 meters, which is the contaminated sand. The system is deal with the contaminated sand, not the oil sludge.
Okay, another question at the back?
As I explained it, yeah, I'm dealing with the dry sand, which is the contaminated sand, because we have 2 different layers. If you see here, that's the sand. Sorry, that's the contaminated sand. Okay, actually, that's my fault. I haven't brought some characterization of the oil lake itself. Okay, we have the oily sludge and then the contaminated sand. The oily sludge is around 2 centimeters, and then the contaminated sand is penetrate to 2 meters. The dry sand, yes, yes.
Another question. You mentioned it takes you 2 hours to clean. Can you specify the size, the volume?
Okay. Can I go back? Okay. That's the system which has been developed. Right now, I just done the pilot. Okay, my pilot is able to wash 150 kilogram per 2 hours. But now I have the proposal for the commercial scheme and everything is ready, but I'm still looking for some companies to cooperate with them.
I have a question. Is there any research happening with the University of Kuwait in this area, or?
Yes, actually, I just become an official doctor before 3 days ago. I graduated from University, thank you. I graduated from University of Portsmouth, and now we are trying to publish some more for it. And even now it's registered as a patent as well.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.